It's here. I have it. It's here. This is going to be a game changer for me. Okay. And if you want to continue to watch to see what this game changer is, just continue watching and do not skip through the video. So I am going to be doing a desk top recording so you guys can see what I have in my Amazon package. I'm excited. I'm so excited. When I saw Tara show this, I was like, I need this. So if you're on a low income, this is going to be this is what's in here is going to help you out. And it's going to help you in a way that you're going to have fun with it. So continue watching and let me set up to show you guys this. And I might just be coloring in some of these, what's in here. So continue watching. Wow, I haven't done a video like this in so long, but I am excited to share with you guys on what's in this package. So let's open it up so I hope it don't get dusty. I haven't opened it, so we're gonna open it together and let's see what it is. Look. Oh my. When Tara showed this, I was like, wow, that's amazing. But when you see it in person, I'm sorry for the shadowing. That's because it's getting dim outside, like it's gloomy outside. But and I forgot to tell you guys who this book belongs to, so I'm going to interrupt really quick this video. This book belongs to who made it, was Beautifully Me and You, and she did an amazing job. Guys, if you're on the low income side, you can save 15K in the most basic way. Okay, so let's continue going through this book, and it's the most basic savings challenge book. So I actually have, and you'll see it here, I did it on Capital One, where I have my own digital envelope on there just for this. And then once I finish one way of the savings challenge, then I'll figure out where I'm allocating that money. But I am on the low income side, and this is going to help me save 15K and hoping that I don't have to touch it. So let's go through this book. Oh my, it's so amazing. So you have a blank page here. And then it says, savings doesn't need to be stressful or complicated. This book keeps it simple and actually enjoyable. So saving money don't have to be boring. It can be fun. It all depends how you want to introduce that fun and how you want to make it fun. So I think this book is going to be amazing. I know it's going to be amazing because you're going to see. And then it says every page has 25 little boxes with dollar amounts. Your job, pick a box, save that amount, color it in and color it off. Oh, and check it off, sorry. Do it again and again and again. There's no order to follow and no deadline to race. Always remember, savings is not a race. It's not. It's personal. It's to you on how you want to save money, because I think money, I take my time to save it. And as much as I want to be in a race, I can't do it on a low income. I can't do it on how my budget is set up. Do it in a way that you want to do it and take your time with it. I feel like sometimes we race life and the days are just going by and you look back and be like, why was I in a rush to do that? Like, there's no rush in anything in life. So always remember that. Some days you'll pick something small. Some days you'll be in your bag and knock out a bigger one. Either way, it counts and it adds up. Finish the whole book and boom, you save 15,000. The magic isn't in doing the most. It's in showing up consistently and watching your money stick. Like what? I really did that. A little bit at a time with a whole lot of confidence. Oh, wait, I skipped a whole wording, a whole sentence. This is a structure without pressure, discipline without punishment, and progress without overwhelm. So yes, I love it already. I love it. Let me just move it over because this lighting in my room is starting to suck. The tracker start here. Save 5,000 in the circles. Now save 5,000 more in boxes. And then save your last 5,000. And I forgot what these are called. And you did it. You just saved 15,000. So let's continue to go. Look how basic this is. This is going to be so much fun. The most basic challenge ever, save $100. So you can go and color any one you want, put it in an envelope, or you can do it like how I'm doing it, which is digital saving challenge. I'm going to word it different. So I'm saving digitally. So I will be putting these amounts in my bucket, my savings envelope on Capital One. And then you can save $105, $110. As you can see, these are still small amounts. $115, $120, and the highest I've seen so far is $10. And this is, I guess, as the amounts go up, $130, and not even is staying as low as $10. Listen, you sell something on, you're selling, like for me, Depop, I'll probably, if I got $2, I'm gonna send over $2. If I got $10, I'll send over $10, like 140 and 145, 180, 210, 220, 245, 255. So you guys get it, right? So it's gonna keep going up and keep going up. It's gonna keep going up, and then until you save your first 500, right? Then you're gonna come back to your tracker, right? So each one that you finish, so this is 100, you're gonna circle the 100 once you finished that page. So once you finish that page, as you can see, it says save $100. So once you finish coloring all of it, you're gonna come here, circle that one. $105, you're gonna come back and color that one in. You guys get it, right? 115, you're gonna color that in all the way until you hit that 500, and you already saved $5,000. And that goes on until even the squares, you're gonna do the same thing. Oh, I can't wait. And actually, we are gonna be doing one together. And then you're gonna do the same thing for this one here too, save $110. You're gonna come over here and color in 100, and that's how you're gonna track each challenge that you do. So I feel like this is amazing. This is a great for someone that's low income, someone that cannot save hundreds of dollars at once. So guess what? When you finish this page, guess what? You just had a small amount of savings, and it's $1, $2, $4, $5, $8, $6. Listen, we can do it. So let's color in my first page that I'm doing, which is to save $100. I'm gonna go get my markers, and we are going to save some money. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I'm using this color here, purple. And then I did see Tara had it to place one of these because it does leak. The paper is really good paper, but obviously a lot of these markers, they do leak through. And we are going to do $20. And how I'm gonna do the $20, I can't stand that there's so much shadows, but I do apologize for that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a 7, I'm gonna do a 3, and this page here I'm just gonna do all one color, which is gonna be this color here, this purple. Sorry for the camera shaking, I do apologize. So 7 and 3, and then we're gonna do 6 and 4. So I'm gonna speed this up so you guys don't hear the see the shaking and hear the noise. So what's good about this savings is each back of it has, you see, so this is what I'm going to be using. I might put 2 of these just in case, but you see it leaks through. But what's good about it here, that you have each page has a blank page that you can write on. You could save for retirement, you could save for just savings, you could save for emergency fund, maybe your student loans. You can save for whatever you want to save for each challenge that you do. So it's totally up to you on how you want to allocate this money. So with this being said, $20, you're going to see another screenshot that I actually put the $20 into the most basic challenge envelope in my bank account. So this is going to be amazing. This is going to be fun. And you guys, I might not be doing this long form for you guys to see, but I might be doing them in the shorts so you can see my progress on me saving money. Also, I'm actually doing this one, but this one here is strictly for my savings. So you guys will be seeing this in a short as well. As you can see, some of this, I know it says no spend, but I chose to do this as my savings. These here that I'm saving for might be for something different, but this one here, you guys will see this in a short as well, as I will be coloring more. So this one here, I'm going to be coloring in $20 as well, only because I'm trying to save as much money as I can, because of course I need a savings and I need emergency fund, and one of these will be for my emergency fund, so which that will be really fun. If you want to see my progress, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join. You made it this far, just press that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in.